A federal district court judge just ruled a Trump-era immigration policy, which President Biden decided to continue, has to stop. That policy is known as Title 42, and it turns away migrants in an effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in holding facilities. President Biden controversially decided to continue that Trump-era policy, but now this federal district court judge in Washington, D.C. sided with the migrants, saying the way the policy is implemented is illegal, and in addition, COVID-19 isn't a good enough excuse to deny entry because there are plenty of ways the U.S. government can mitigate the spread of COVID-19 at border facilities. The judge's order allows migrant families to be exempt from Title 42. Unaccompanied migrant children have always been exempt. Under this order, Title 42 policy can still be applied to single migrants. The Trump administration, under the authority of the CDC, started Title 42 in March of 2020 to try and slow the spread of COVID-19. Since then, Title 42 has been extended repeatedly, and both the Trump and Biden administrations have turned away almost 1 million migrants coming to the U.S. using this policy. The ruling is a big win for migrant advocates and asylum seekers who have said Title 42 is unlawful, inhumane, and not justified by public health. The judge's ruling today to stop the use of Title 42 for migrant families will take effect in 14 days. Now, it's unclear if the Justice Department will appeal this ruling. We may get an answer tomorrow about whether or not COVID-19 vaccine booster shots will be approved and made available to the general public. That's because the independent FDA advisory panel is meeting to discuss Pfizer's application to give a booster shot to those over the age of 16. Now, you know the FDA fully approved the Pfizer vaccine at the end of August, as I told you in this video. And for all of you who are confused about that, I also detailed the approval letter and all that misinformation surrounding it in part 1 that I posted on August 25th. And I also posted a video about Pfizer's brand name Comirnaty in part 2, also posted on August 25th. Those videos are super detailed, and if you have any questions, please watch them. Now, back to boosters. The advisory panel will discuss all the available booster data, which you can access now on the FDA website, and they will collectively come up with a recommendation that will either be approved or denied by the FDA and the CDC. The meeting starts at 8:30 a.m. Eastern and runs till 3:45 Eastern tomorrow, Friday, September 17th. You can watch the whole thing on the FDA's YouTube page.